Up there, there will be fish. I hope. Drop it in there. There we go. Yes. Oh! No. Oh. What's up, everybody? It's Tiefsa. It's early morning, and I'm about to go fishing to the Mukwonago River, where I caught my last newest species. I'm gonna catch a bunch of fish. I guarantee it, but I don't know if I'll catch anything new. Hopefully, one of them will be a new species, so I can be on my 40th species. Ooh, that would be cool. My daughter set this up because we were at the 4th of July fireworks. Fairy lights. Ooh. I'm only bringing one fishing rod because, well, when I'm wading the river, I'm going to use this one. And I probably am only going to use this little panther martin to try and catch everything that I'm going for. Do you see it? Did you see it? Do you know where we're going? Do you know where life has taken us? It has taken us to Quick Trip. I've always wondered if I should get footage inside the Quick Trip, you know? But I don't know. I always feel like somebody's watching me. I'm doing it. I'm going in. I'm filming. Ooh, the layout of this one's a little different. I want them all. I want them all. That was a little scary, I'm not gonna lie. I got my big video camera out and I filmed myself grabbing a donut. That was pretty exciting. I did it. Don't tell anybody. Don't ban me, Quick Trip! We're getting there. Get low, get low. All right, everybody, I'm here. I want to show you what I'm using because this is going to be a little bit of a different video. I can't bring the camera I'm using for this one because I'm wading the river and there are some spots that get deep. I don't know if it would be a good idea to bring this because if I fall in, say goodbye to this camera. Now, let's see what I got. I'm using a Panther Martin, but I wanted to show you that I cut the tail a little bit because a lot of times fish will just nip at it, and when they nip at it, they nip at the hair at the end, so I cut it short, so hopefully if they try to nip at it, they get the business end of one of these hooks. I got some worms and waxies just in case. Got my bug spray because I'm going to be in the thick undergrowth. I'm bringing my phone, and it doesn't have the best camera. See this lens? It's actually cracked right there, so I get a foggy picture when I take a picture. So what I need to do is take pictures on this side. Oh yeah, it's 6 in the morning, Friday, the day after our independence, and I'm celebrating freedom by fishing. You like the case my daughter bought me? Isn't it beautiful? Ooh. I brought socks because I've got water shoes, but I'm going to put socks on. Last time I got like giant leeches on my feet, and that wasn't fun, so I know that sounds dumb to wear socks with water shoes, but that might help me from not getting leeches. There's the GoPro, which will be strapped to my chest. Got a little net, just in case, and then I'm carrying all this stuff in my backpack. Say goodbye to this camera. Let's do it! Let's get some fish! Oh, I'm so pumped! Come on! As I expected, the river is really high. Now, as the crow flies, this river, like if you walk it, is, I don't know, probably mile and a half. But I'm walking this zigzaggedy river, so it's gonna be rough to get there. That's where I bet you fish are. I'm gonna get around this log and then scare all the fish away with all my noise and then cast into there. Oh, this bush has thorns. Alright. And the spider web. Oh. No, here we go. So here's the deal. See how I'm not wearing my GoPro anymore? Ooh, suck it in, David. Ooh, stick it out. Stick out the chest, suck in the gut. Anyways, I got a little wet and it's malfunctioning. So much fun. If I catch a fish, I won't have the live action. Instead, it'll just have to be me like, oh, look at the fish at the end of this lure. And you'll have to trust that I caught it on this trip. Got one, rock bass. He swallowed it, you see. This, which once was in here, is a creek chub. Now I think I hooked him in the net. Oh, fun. Bluegills are here too. It's hard to do all this. I don't have enough hands. And on a film like this, you got a chin. Can I film and reel at the same time? Probably not. Oh, that's really bad filming because my finger is in the way. Oh, there we go. Yeah, I caught a fish. Look at this guy. This is a horny-head chub, I think. It's got a red spot on it if I can show you its head. Yeah, there we go. Horny-head chub. This a new species? I think it's a shiner. Look at its humpback. It's spawning, so it's got its bumps on it, or tubercles. I don't think I caught anything new. I mean, I'll post this video and then, you know, in the hopes that one of those like chubs or shiners is some kind of special shiner chub. I want to show you something I did I didn't talk about before. I wore these socks. You see them? Ooh, they're nice. Because I didn't want to get leeches on my leg. And look at that. That guy is a leech. Trying to suck on me through my sock. Ew. 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 Check it out, that stupid leech. It actually sucked blood through the sock. Unbelievable. I'll get you someday, Leech. Well, actually, I did get you. You're dead on the side of the road.